Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will review Copecart. Copecart is a affiliate marketing where you can promote digital products across niche like crypto, weight loss, online marketing, and more. You sign up, grab your affiliate link, promote it, and earn commissions, typically between 50% to 60%. The platform is easy to access, pay reliably, and support multiple currencies, making it beginner friendly on the surface. However, Copecart does not teach you how to market, so you don't know how to drive traffic, build landing pages, or run ads. You will struggle. It is a tool, not a training course. Product quality varies a lot, so you will need to vet what you promote to protect your reputation. Filtering in the marketplace is limited, and sorting by refund rate or conversation stats is not yet possible, which can make pricing offer harder. Final thoughts. If you already know affiliate marketing, Popcart is a solid option. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.